How to build multiple streams of income as a coach, as a consultant in India. Friends, when I started my journey in 2018, for whole year, I had only one or maximum two streams of income. The first year, I had my mentorship program called Passionpreneur Mastermind. Then later, I had also my book. So I had only two streams of income. Only until 2019, I realized that, my God, how much money I'm leaving on the table. As a coach, as a mentor, I cannot afford to do this. And this is when I started doing the research, and this is when I came up with some new ideas of building multiple streams of income as a coach, as a consultant. One of the biggest problems that we all coaches and mentors have is we don't have the business acumen, business knowledge. We start operating as a passionate person and we continue to stay as a passionate person. We don't go from passionate person to a passionpreneur. And as a passionpreneur, somebody who understands the business aspect as well should also know that you need to have multiple streams of income. On an average, a millionaire has about 7 streams of income. How many do you have? When I asked this question, I started getting answers and I started working towards it. So today, I'm going to share with you the avenues, the streams that you can start building today so that you can have multiple streams of income. So one income stream goes down, other comes up. Like in Corona situation, when the hard copies, the books were not selling, I did not worry because I have multiple streams of income. I had more than 7 or 8 income streams that are helping me. So today, let's go deep into these income streams. Number 1 is your coaching sessions, right? Which is your active sessions. So if you coach somebody, you get paid. If you don't coach somebody, you don't get paid. This is the most ordinary, most common followed income stream. Let's go to step number 2, the income stream number 2. It's called books. We all know books has the power to change people's life. But you need to understand, how do you actually get the passive income from a book? How do you write a book? How do you distribute a book? For that, I really recommend you to watch out the video on how to have passive income from the books. All right. So I'll not go into detail, but number 2 is books. You write books, 1 book, 2 book, and multiple books. Every book that you write, it keeps feeding into each other. For example, one book that I wrote, 80% mindset, 20% skills, it gave me 6 lakh rupees in the first year. 6 lakh is about, on an average, 50,000 rupees. And the best part, it has no GST. The books are tax-free. So whatever money you make from the books, it gives you good return. That's number 2. Number 3, video courses. Like, I do not understand the power of video courses. You can have a course starting from 200, 500 rupees, going all the way to 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees. I know some of my partners, some of my mentors, they're charging lakhs for their video courses. What about you? What is your strategy about video course? And the best part about video course is, once you record the video course, there is no investment, right? All you have to do is just market it and people just keep buying it. There's no active time. Like the first income stream, like an active coaching. If you stop coaching, money stops. But in this, money continues. If you keep marketing it, keep automating it. That's number 3. Number 4, a group coaching or a mentoring session. How is this different than the coaching and mentoring? Usually the coaching mentoring is done one-on-one. But if you can do a group coaching and group mentoring, which includes your physical session, virtual session, PDF copies, and tasks and all those things, what is happening is your time you're spending is 1 hour, but you can reach to 10 people or 100 people and have a group, big group, and you can have more money coming in. That's another stream of income. Next stream of income is the corporate trainings and coachings. Some of the people, they started with the coaching in the corporate, but the problem is they stopped only there. They do not look for other multiple streams of income. But if you are someone like me who has just focused on B2C and not B2B, this is the right time. Just have a proper strategy, a proper plan where you can target the corporate market and you can train and coach people there as well. Next, high ticket private mentorship. What is the high ticket private mentorship? And how is this different than the first coaching and mentoring and group session? These are the big volume tickets. What is the big volume ticket? Like you have one mentee who you will spend a lot of time and effort in, and you will charge not the usual few thousands or maybe 1 lakh. You'll probably charge 4 times or 5 times more money, and you will spend more time with them, provide more secret to them. This could be also one more income stream for you. Next, affiliation. What is affiliation? I have partnered with some of the people who are able to resell my programs, my products, and vice versa. I can sell their programs and products. Now, you have to be very careful, because when you associate yourself with some other coach and mentor, you need to make sure that your values align and the delivery that you're providing, the knowledge that you're providing, the person also is providing knowledge. And if you partner with somebody who's just a marketer and does not provide the real value, what's going to happen is you will regret. So affiliate with somebody. For example, I'm partnering with one of the digital marketer. That person has lakhs of followers on his email list and in the group. And what we're doing together, we are helping his audience to gain knowledge from me, as well as I'm giving them the offer to continue to learn from me in those 3-day event called Passionpreneur Summit. And if they come and they join, his audience wins because they get knowledge, he wins and I win. So this affiliation can help me to reach lakhs of people and grow the income stream faster and better. Eventually, you may also want to look to have a client, the partner relationship manager. You can hire a person, and that person's job is just to look for the deals, just look for the partnership that you can collaborate. All the big companies have collaborated, right? The Ferrari and Puma collaborated. Ferrari has merchandise in Puma, right? So there are so many collaborations, whether in coaching, mentoring, or outside. The collaborations are the beautiful way how you can start making money, right? Another one, membership. Have you thought that I can start like a membership program where you don't have a personal one-on-one, you don't even have a group coaching. All you have is you show up once in a month or twice in a month and you share all your secrets live with your members. For example, Jay Shetty has his membership. Robin Sharma has his membership. Dan Locke has his membership. Dave Gadhvi has his membership. When you have this membership, not only they win, and since it's in group, you have no obligation. You can charge the nominal fee, as well as you win, and then you nurture the community for the small ticket, and then you can help them to join your new programs and upselling program, upsell them into bigger programs. These are some of the ways how you can build multiple streams of income